Alright, hi, my name's Christopher Wong, and this is my Python 1 project. So I got my idea is a horror text adventure game, and I was inspired when my friend showed me a similar text adventure game a while ago at a swim meet, and pretty much you just try and you're in the forest and you're trying to escape this guy that's stalking you. What did I learn and use for my project? Well, during class, I learned how to make my own functions and use the input function in my project. So functions are uh, I guess they're my scenes, and input is when you choose your answer for what to do in that scene. This is my first example of some code. This is a function, and a cool detail about this is that, oh shoot, never mind, I'm not supposed to say that, that's the next one. Yeah, this is an example of my first scene.
Mhm.
This piece of code is pretty cool because there's a function inside where there's a chance we can end the game a bit early, and it's the lucky shot ending.
All right. And then, yeah, do you want to try and practice your demo? So I'll stop my
Yeah.
screen share and then you can share your screen.
This is the first scene. So this seems like you run as far as you can from the guy. And what do you do? So first I'll do number 2, which gives me a rifle with no bullets, and after that, I'll go with number 3. Almost on. And I just won. And that was the normal ending because I didn't get the lucky shot ending.
Okay. Can you, I think it'd be better if you made your game bigger. So you can do that by clicking 3 dots there. And then I think you can full screen it. That's good as well. Yeah. But we just want to sometimes we can't see the intro to the scene. Oh yeah, maximize.
How do I unmax?
You just click restore.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I really like that demo. So now let's go ahead continue after the demo. So I'll share my screen and then you can talk about your favorite part.
My favorite part on working on this project was making the scenes because I could be very creative, and that was fun because there's nothing restraining me, I guess.
Mhm.
If I were to improve my projects, I would add more scenes, more enemies, and more weapons. Thank you.
All right. That was really good. I liked how you explained your idea in your demo. Was there any slide you kind of felt uncomfortable with that you kind of want to talk about some more? That you
Not really.
Okay. All right. Then you think you're ready to do the presentation now?
Yeah.
All right. In that case, let's go ahead. I'll full screen it and then I'll mute myself in my video as well. So you just start whenever you want to. Okay.
Okay. Hi, my name is Christopher Wong, and this is my Python 1 project. My idea is a horror text adventure game, and this project was inspired by a friend who showed it to me at a swimming competition a while ago. And pretty much in this game, you're in a forest and you're trying to escape a guy that's trying to murder you. What did I learn in these are my projects? During class, I learned how to make my functions and used the input function in my project. The first picture is an example of what a function looks like, and the second is, if you look at the bottom, you can see a selection option. and that's the input. This example for code is an example of a function and how I would make it. This second example of code is for my input, and something unique about it is that if you look towards the bottom, there's a function where you could get lucky and end the game a bit early, but that's only if you're lucky. So this is a quick walkthrough of my game. So as you can see, each one usually has about 3 options. And just as I did, it's possible that an option may have an answer that isn't necessarily correct, but won't exactly kill you either. And just like that, I got the normal ending. And there's 2 endings in total in my demo. My favorite part about working on this project was making the scenes because there wasn't really a limit to my creativity. It just made it more fun because like there wasn't really anything restraining me. So yeah, if I were to continue working on this project, I would add more scenes, more enemies, and more weapons. Thank you for your time.